Because look on an allegation like this, we never brought drop and Vibes Cartel when claims they was once in friends. And that's why when you see people like them come out attack, oh Vibes Cartel sell out, I don't remember where I come from. Sometimes you have to sell out the people where you're born and grow with or who you used to rock with because them same one wish you the worst and walk and tell the most life on you.
The Scoop.
You say, Deva say Kartel Africa me 14. That's not true. That is not true. Stop the life on the man. The man listen, when I say him grew me from me at 5, I don't mean that way there. I mean being around, teaching me a lot of things. You know, the 6 part, me and Vibes never had 6 from me at 14. That is not true. Them time they leave and go studio, them time they go school, them time they could leave. Brother, overall, I matter.
The Scoop.
What a go on, my people. Welcome back to The Scoop with Michelle. So guys, I see where Lisa Hyper set the record straight against allegation that Deva has been making against Vibes Cartel for years. Deva always around with story oh Vibes Cartel I touch Lisa Hyper for she 14. But Lisa Hyper come and make the public know say a lie Deva I tell. Big lie Deva has been spreading rumors. You understand? So you can't give it a rest now. The people them who don't like Vibes Cartel who used to run with the narrative just because you don't like Cartel, you know. She say when she used to say Vibes Cartel groom her for she young, she don't mean that type of way there. She means a Vibes Cartel show her the ropes of life. You understand? Probably even mentor her into the dancehall world. You understand? And them take it wrongfully. No, no see why Vibes Cartel have to run left some of them people that went born and grew up with or used to hang with. He have to run left them because they no straight. Because as you and them have a falling out, them tell you things that don't go so. They tell lie upon you, they spread rumor upon you. Because look on an allegation like this, we never brought drop and Vibes Cartel when claims they was once in friends. And that's why when you see people like them come out attack, oh Vibes Cartel sell out, I don't remember where I come from. Sometimes you have to sell out the people where you're born and grow with or who you used to rock with because them same one wish you the worst and walk and tell the most life on you. You hear me I tell you no? You understand? And you can't blame some of the people who did believe. You cannot blame some of the people who did believe because remember, you know, Vibes Cartel and Deva was tight. So you understand? So when Deva come out and throw out such an allegations against Vibes Cartel, some people are going to believe and run with it because it come from your friend mouth. Because if my friend come telling us something about me when me used to power with up and down, I know everybody are going to take time to examine and say, I wonder if I lie or true, you know. Some people just are going to believe because I'm a friend say it. You understand? So that is why you see Vibes Cartel have left among some of them. Because they're not loyal. They're not loyal. So when they more talk about Vibes Cartel, I share money with people where never did it when they hungry, and enough of them are running and scatter them and do them. Sometimes you have to sell them out. Sometimes you have to sell out some people where you used to hang out with because they don't wish you no good. They wish you the worst and they tell people like you and spread the rumor upon your name. Yeah man, so Lisa Hyper come and make people know say Deva is a liar. Deva is a big liar. What kind of allegation that you want call down on the world boss? Or the world boss at Lisa Hyper fan she 14. Big allegation that you know say man can sue you though. You know say Kartel can sue you Deva. You understand? So bad to bad guys, we have to look and say at least Lisa Hyper, because we know say she not really so into Kartel again, but she not back up no liar story. She not back up no liar story. And at that Deva probably did wish for her. So as he know say Vibes Cartel and Lisa Hyper not so good again. You know? They want to stir up something. Yeah man. So as me I say the people them used to run with the narrative. Say Vibes Cartel used to do things to Lisa Hyper when she did a 14. You can't arrest it now. You can't arrest it now. And Deva can't give up now. You can't give up now because what you do not work. What you do not work, brother, you need to go put in some work. Go look at it song. Deva brought a song them stuck in a today. Your song them have to just today alone. Your song they never move on to tomorrow. So it's time where you waste the energy on Kartel. You need to go look at it song. Put that same energy there in your career, brother. Yeah, man. Put that same energy there in your career and see if you can reach somewhere. Because no see the Vybz Kartel reach somewhere. Me not think he can reach no further than where they right now. He's world renowned. He's world renowned. Everybody in all walks of life know Vybz Kartel. Him have hits after hits after hits. Him sell out shows after shows after shows. He accomplished everything materialistically. So I don't think he have no further to go. Whether career wise or material wise. Guys, me I tell you this, you know. A lot of times, you know, me hear some rumors out there about yourself. And you know, yourself, you know, I say, who could not spread them rumors upon me? I tell them lie upon me. And most somebody will not like me. And I want to check it out. And the people I'm closest to, you know. The people I'm in a circle. You understand? So, this just goes to show so you can't really to trust nobody. Because a long time Deva brought a draw them allegations against Vybz Kartel, you know. Long time I walk and talk things about Vybz Kartel, you know. And this all proves everything when I say about Vybz Kartel is a lie. Yeah? So Deva brought you can't get a rest now, man. But guys, let me know in the comment what you think about this story. Because personally, me feel like Deva brought, he might get ridiculous now. And he needs to give it up. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. Remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Walk good and spread love. I'm out.
The Scoop.